Howdy, howdy. Welcome to the new section of this new course. So let's talk about what you're going to get into to learn about this course. All right, so first things first, when you log in, you should be directed to this same section over here at Quant Labs / Academy. You got to make sure you get to at least there. If not, just go into courses, Python Algo Trading, and that will take you to this page once you get logged in. Now, notice you'll have access to this level, and you'll get a video tutorial here at the top, get some little verbiage on some old stuff, introduction to the meetup that we have that's kind of more social if you are in Toronto, Canada, or in the area for monthly meetups, as well as we have the online events. This isn't used as much, but you really want to be part of this group here on Facebook. That's where a lot of the action takes place. So the next step is to get yourself enrolled, which we already have done. If you're not enrolled, you can easily look for the little green button that will say enroll now. And then once you get in, you'll get access to the actual course. So here's how it works. So maybe you've seen other past videos that are similar. Everything's divided up into modules, as you can see here. And each module right now, for just simplicity's sake, has one unit in it. And there's always exception. In the first unit, we want to make sure you get access to the courses or the notes. This is where all the links are, all that. So let me just download that. So that will get downloaded. It's a PDF file. So each section will have some notes as well as some links to help you out. And this is for the entire course. So you want to make sure you get that, follow along for each new module that you go through. Then once you just go back here. Now going back to this dashboard, as I said, we'll get access to the first unit in the first module. So we do our little download, let's say. We got to make sure we have a little button here called Mark as Completed. That will give us access to the next unit, as in this case, and we can move on to the next unit. But you may not see that. You'll see this section say Mark as Completed, and it will give you next unit. So now we're moving into the second module, as you can see here, and then we have another coding example. You can download it. All of these are all zip files, so you'll need to unzip them using like WinZip or any compression utility. And then, as I said, with each unit, let's go back to the dashboard. Just want to make sure we understand the navigating part. And then we go scrolling on down. So we're just going into module 2 now for this unit. And then here we are where we have that famous go to the next unit. Once you've completed and you've gone through the material for that particular unit, just go Mark as Completed. That will give you access to the next unit. And once again, we're now on the third module. So there we are, module 3, new unit right here. We go into that unit and pretty simple. Mark as Completed, and navigate to the previous unit, Mark as Completed. Now we can go to the next unit, so on and so forth. So that's pretty well how it works. Hopefully you'll enjoy this course. Over and out.